In today's video, I'll show you how to integrate Monday.com with SharePoint in just a few minutes. This integration helps streamline your workflow by connecting your SharePoint data directly with your project management tasks on Monday.com. To get started, you'll need a platform that acts as a bridge between Monday.com and SharePoint. For this guide, we'll use Zapier, which is popular for its versatility and ease of use. Other options like Make or Integrately also work, but Zapier offers an intuitive interface that's beginner friendly. Open your browser, go to Zapier and log in, or create an account if you don't have one. Next, either open an existing Zap or create a new one. Zaps are automated workflows that allow apps to communicate seamlessly. Start by setting SharePoint as the trigger app. Choose a trigger event, such as when a new item is added to a list. Sign in to your SharePoint account to authorize the connection. Now set Monday.com as the action app. Choose an action event like creating a board, which will occur every time the SharePoint trigger happens. Sign into Monday.com and provide an API token from your account to authorize Zapier. You can find this token under your profile in the developer section of Monday.com. Copy it and paste it into Zapier to complete the connection. Once linked, your SharePoint and Monday.com accounts are connected and data will flow automatically. This setup reduces manual entry, saves time, and keeps your project management organized. With this integration, you can focus on more important tasks while Zapier handles the data syncing between SharePoint and Monday.com.